Hello, I'm Shyanukant and this is a demo of AI Ekfest and here's my team Vikramjit, Harsh, Himim and me. So, have you even struggled to get quick answer your health related question? So, we create a chatbot, a healthcare chatbot daily docs which is help to understand your problem, medical problem, and analyze your system, give you tips and suggestion. I can give you example like that my neck hurts hurts when I work on computer. Let's check. Okay, so here the answer. If your neck hurts when you work on computer, it might be due to poor posture or stand on your neck muscles caused by prolonged sitting in front of computers. So guys, here's my problem and it's analyze my problem, understand it and give me some suggestion. Here are some things that you can do. Check your posture, adjust your skin and keyboards, take frequent break, do your neck stretch and exercise. So it's working fine. So so guys, we build this daily docs using Python. We utilize the OpenAI GPT 3.5 Turbo, and this is all about this project. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.